Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to safely eject a USB, thumb drive, pen drive, flash drive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and the flash drive itself. You may be wondering, what does the capacity really need to be? Well, it can be a USB flash drive from 1, 2, 4, 8, 6, or 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 and onwards. We're not really here worried about the capacities of these USB flash drives. We're only worried how to safely eject. So you may already have your USB connected to the computer. If not, this is also the part for you. Now we have connected the USB flash drive to the Mac computer. We should see this on screen. There we have the Kingston USB with a capacity of 32 gigabytes. Can it be USB 2, 3, 4? Yes, it can. So to now eject the USB, go to the USB on screen, right click and click on Eject Kingston, or we can use a keyboard shortcut. Command and E. Go back to the USB. Command E to safely eject the USB from the Mac computer. There we see the USB is no longer on screen. That's because we have now ejected. We can safely remove from the Mac computer. Done. So if I was in the USB, had opened up the USB, playing a video, or maybe browsing a file, and then I pull out the USB, you will cause serious data damage, which is why you should never remove a USB from the USB port without any reason, because there will be data damage. So we can always quit all the files and then safely eject using right click, eject the USB, or Command E to eject. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.